Hi guys, just a very quick video now, just showing off, well, not really showing off, just sort of test driving my new setup. I've got eventually got a tripod that fits, so I'm just going to adjust that slightly. This is the first video with the actual tripod. I've done videos before with a smaller tripod. It hasn't worked out very well. I can't get it on my desk, and this is just set off the desk, so it's great. I'm just setting it up now, having a mess with it, so I'll look forward to getting some videos out there soon. With this setup, I'm going to start doing more CB radio and receiver videos like these two, scanner and receiver. Just have a quick listen here. The 20 metre band, is it? On the ICOM ICR 75. Sounds really nice. This radio is great for pretty much one of the best, in my opinion, on SSB. Real nice sound to it. Speaker's a little bit harsh. The speaker can be a bit harsh, but that can be resolved by putting an external speaker on where it's got the facility to do so on the back. Even the DSP, noise reduction. It gets a lot of stick. It's actually quite nice. It's only in the audio section, but it's not too bad at all. It does help with the hiss and some noise. Anyway, I'll be doing some reviews of radios again side by side. Now I've got this setup which keeps the camera perfectly still. I can also zoom in on the camera there, so I'll move it around a little bit if I need to, or just focus it on one radio, like so. Just check it out. Shall we try to reduce that a little bit maybe? Yeah, that would work quite well if I was just looking at this radio, I think. So I'm going to tidy my setup a little bit, tidy up my setup a little bit, and yeah, see how we get on. Just to much better than what I used to have, in my opinion, again. This is actually on a Discone antenna, which seems to work on everything, and especially on airband. Not so much on 10 and 11 metres. It seems to be a little bit quiet on 10 and 11 metres, but it does work on 10 and 11 metres. If I didn't do any transmitting, I'd pursue a better version of it, because it seems to be the one that does it all. A little bit big steps here for tuning around 1 kHz steps. That's not a language I speak. Yeah, so I think this is going to give a much better look to my videos. As you can see the whole of the radio. I'll work on the zoom and everything, and the brightness, the ISO or whatever, to make the screen a better hue. Let's go down to 100. Or is it 10? It's in 10 at the moment. 10 kHz, 10 hertz. Back to 1 kHz. Let's go through my channels. There's the 11 metre 555, channel 12 high block, which is quiet today. It's on the Discone, as I just said, so it's a little bit quieter, but I'll just switch to the other antenna so you can just tell the difference with the 11 metre vertical and the 10 metre co-linear I've built. So that's the Discone now. That's the vertical, and that's the co-linear. About the same on receive. A bit more noise, but I do prefer leaving this one on when I can. It gives me the facility to receive on that radio and any other radio I've got lined up like this one. Let's just get the camera adjusted a little bit, and there you go. It's quite a nice view again. I think that's okay. Yep, just turn that one down on the left and the right. There you go, back on there. And this is the best antenna for, this is similar actually to the 11 metre antenna. So there's the Discone antenna. I'll do the same thing again. That's the vertical, and that's the cowlinear. So the vertical does about the same as the cowlinear, but on air, if we go to air, if we go to the air band, oh, that's the problem with the stand. I just knocked it. So there's the air band. This is always best on the disco, and I think it's probably more tuned to that frequency, maybe. I would switch it, but it doesn't really give me much time. So let's try it. Here we go. That's the vertical, which I think the signal's gone now. Oh no, that's the cowlinear, which isn't very good. So the vertical is slightly worse than the discount, and the cowlinear doesn't really do very well on airband at all. Okay guys, that's a real quick look at the new setup anyway. More videos to come soon. I'll be doing some comparisons now. I've actually got a steady tripod I can use. It only took me 10 years, so that's, you know, it's a good thing. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the videos.